What's up, guys? Today we're going to be throwing on some wheel spacers. I got 1.5" wheel spacers. We're going to be throwing them on the Tylerr Sportsman 700 Twin EFI. Here she be. We just swapped out this small plow, this nice big Polaris plow. That small plow didn't even cover my wheel gap. And I'm putting spacers on because these are aftermarket wheels and it's getting real close in there, real tight. Sorry if you couldn't see that, but we're going to pop this up on jacks. It doesn't take too long to throw these spacers on. I'll show you how to do it. Pop off your wheel, put your spacer on, put your wheel back on these new lugs. That's about it. They're pretty easy. Just make sure you torque them to spec. I'm going to be torquing them with this to spec. Yeah, so throw these on quick and see how much more wide it is. So it's sticking out a few inches right now, and the wheels are like turned in. I don't know why, like all ATVs are like that, but I got new bearings coming for this one and a bearing swap kit, so we're gonna be switching out the bearings on this wheel, or the front wheel soon, and then we'll see what we're gonna do with the back. But yeah, we'll see if there's how wide it is. That's how wide the rear comes out. Yeah, let's throw these on, see if it gives us a little bit more clearance. It is harder on all the mechanisms. The wider it is, the more force is on all these little parts, but it's mostly the front end that's going to take most of the damage over time. But as long as you keep up on it and keep an eye on it, it shouldn't be that big of an issue. Looks like we're going to have to switch these brake pads out soon too. This is kind of corroded. I'm going to be in here again. That's when I'll do the full cleanup, but for now I just want to get these on and see how it looks. I was not expecting these to come today, and they came, so pretty excited. If it doesn't fit, make it. So yeah, we're sticking out almost 4 inches now. Well, I guess you could tell just by putting an 1.5" spacer when it was sticking out about 3 inches. It's sticking out about 4.5 now. Look at me, I can do math. Oh yeah. That's gonna look sick. Stance, baby. Yeah, these bushings are shot. When I start tearing into this a little more, I'm going to replace the bushings. Ooh. Yep, looks like we're going to have to do rear bearings also. So what's good for bad bearings? Not wheel spacers. This thing is not that powerful. I mean, it gets the job done. Probably as good as a DeWalt or a Milwaukee, but good old Harbor Freight there. Sheesh. She is thick, boys. Oh, it's going to be nice. Real nice. These plastic covers, it was missing this when I bought it. These things are $140. It was the cheapest one I could find. I couldn't even find one used online. Then I got this seat cover because there's a tear in this. and it just folds over it. I'm going to order a nice leather one and actually tack it on the right way and replace it. So if you have this ATV, don't lose that. Front looks like it's sticking out as far, but it's because this is all open. I might have to pop my plow off, but I might not to do this one quick. Kind of sketch, but we'll do it quick. Good old life jacket for my knees. It's a life hack. No pun intended. Yeah, these are the bearings I have to replace ASAP. Horrible. Those should be here tomorrow. Ugh. Definitely was used on a farm. It's my first time getting in here since I bought it a couple weeks ago. Yeah, new pads, new bearings. I already did the tie rods in a previous video I posted. That's the name of the brand I got. They're the cheapest ones I could find that had really, really good ratings. And they were all black, so thought that'd look good. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Way better clearance. Oh, thanks. Thank God. Oh yeah, she's thick. Yeah, you can see down there. It's dark, but you can see that gap right here where my finger is. That was like not there before almost. It was like almost touching the tires. So that'll be nice. And hopefully the snowplow doesn't hit it when I turn it, but well, it's just down to this last one. And if I blow this impact up, I can get it replaced for free at Harbor Freight. There she be. I can already tell the difference. Much wider. Yeah, the main reason I put those on, like I said, was because you could see there, maybe right here, the tire was rubbing and that tie rod end was getting real close, so that'll keep us safe. Last thing we want is a flat. Well, that'll be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and just like all my videos since I'm just starting this channel, if you like, subscribe, and comment that you liked and subscribed, I'm going to pick somebody out from below and somebody in the comments. I'm going to let them pick out whatever they want, a $20 gift card to wherever they want, and I will send it to them for free. So like, subscribe, comment, and let me know, guys. Thanks for watching. Later.